currently at Medellin Airport. We are very, very early for check-in. Check-in is supposed to be like 2 hours before the flight, and it is currently now what time is it? It's currently now 12 o'clock. So we have about an hour or two before check-in. I'm sitting at a little cafe area across from a couple of restaurants, like a seated area where lots of people are seated with their laptops, chatting, hugging, everything. So we're gonna just be here doing a little bit of work before we go to check in for our flight, which we already checked in for our flight online. It's just to do the bag drop. So yeah, it's our last day in Medellin, and the time is flying so quickly. We're now headed to Bogota, which, as I said, is going to be our base location. Yeah, I feel like it's been very, very quick. I got my ears pierced last night. You would have seen it. Can't see it from here, it's really far, but I got my ears pierced a second time, and hopefully I want to get a tattoo when we get back. So I wanted to get it here, but there's no time. So I want to do it when I go to Bogota. There's just been this design I've been wanting to get of my cats, and I'm a tattoo girl. I love meaningful tattoos, nothing crazy, just meaningful, sweet, cute tattoos. That's what I like. But yeah, it's pretty bustling right now, as much as an airport can be bustling. And yeah, I just wanted to check in. I hope everybody's doing okay. I would have started a new vlog yesterday, I think, or day before. I don't know where I am right now. Just forgive me if everything seems a little all over the place. But yeah, right now I just have my work set up, and I'm gonna get some food. I'm thinking I'm gonna get some food from over there. I'll show you guys. Yeah, Hakeem is currently over there. You can see him. This is Hakeem right there. That's Hakeem. So I'm gonna get some food from over there. It's like an Italian spot. And Pergamino. Yeah, we have our bags just stacked up right here in my Avengers suitcase. Obsessed. And just our bags are set up right here. Hakim's work stuff, my work stuff, and we're just gonna get some work done and get some food. Hi, baby. He's such a cutie pie. Right, so I'm gonna collect food from this place called Guacamole. My name Guacamole something. It's there. Yeah. I'm starving, guys. Mario! Got the goods. This is the name of the restaurant. The food is yummy. So I got what I get. We got enchilada. Well, Hakeem got quesadilla and I got an enchilada. Sun is blinding. We'll have some.
So we just landed in Bogota. Now, December 31st. I guess.
Happy New Year's Eve.
Yeah, certainly less traffic than when we just arrived in Medellin.
2 hours in the
yeah, in the customs immigration, yeah. But I guess when you're traveling domestic with a domestic flight, it's a lot easier.
I love traveling domestic.
It's a lot easier. So with it being New Year's Eve, our prerogative is to get to our Airbnb,
Yeah.
settle in
Get
a little
some
bit, get some
groceries.
groceries because tomorrow's a holiday, of course. And then we decide what we're going to do
Yeah, I
for
think
for
tonight
for New Year's Eve to ring in the new year.
Yeah, I need to check one of the thingies. Check the boards to see where the bags are coming out of. But yeah, this is where you exit. So it's so much easier. You don't have to go through customs when you travel domestic. So yeah, if you've never traveled domestic before,
Luis Diaz.
why are you like this? This guy is literally randomly screaming out Spanish things.
No, Luis Diaz.
Oh, Luis Diaz. Oh, I know him. Okay. All right. So next time we'll check in with you guys is when we reach our Airbnb. Hey, please. Ooh, give us a bottle of wine. This is nice. Ooh. We have turn on all the lights. This is cute. So this is our place. We have the stove top, sink, and it's a loft. So we have this really nice patio right here. Ooh, with the green wall, that's nice. And then up here, I hope it's showing well. But yeah. Stairs. This is nice. Wow. Oh wow, a lot of bright light. This is the bed and the workstation right here. This is the view from the loft. This is really, really nice. Bed. The TV. I need to see this closet because I didn't see any pictures of the closet when I looked. Not bad. Not bad at all. So we need to pack out and set ourselves up because we're going to be here for 20 days. 20 days. Down here and here. Blanket. First stop is supermarket. So this is supermarket we're at. It's Kaduja.
Our favorite thing to do.
Yeah, I need these. This mommy wants it. I should take a picture and show mommy. Anyway, so yeah, we need to get some fresh fruits. I need one of these.
Half or one?
Can get half this time. No, can get one. I think we're gonna cut it up.
Give me 1 second. Just want to give me beer in street with the
pricings. Yeah.
1,000 is $35 Jamaican.
Okay, so for this,
This is per kilogram.
Per kilogram.
I assume. Anyway,
so 1,000 pesos is $35 Jamaican. Alright, so it's a tradition to have 12 grapes at midnight. So I think we might do that. These are blueberries. Big head Kim. Those are blueberries. I can't find the grapes. That's how the supermarket looks. It's really, really nice. And you can get food over there. Yo quiero este. Sí, sí. Cheesy bread.
¿Qué más sería? ¿Algo más o solo así?
Eso es todo. Gracias. Oh, cheese bread.
Yeah.
Bread lovers.
I'll take your buck.
I'd rather, let me tell you, I'd rather, shit, looks damn good.
What's in my fridge?
Where was it? Definitely have to have,
6 alone?
you need more than 6? Or we can get 2 trays. Do you think oh baby,
No, but
that's packed in one? Oh, you eat so much egg?
But my sister, man, have big families in the bill. Okay. There it is.
There it is. Galina. Okay. It's super empty tonight. This is
A festivities are come back in.
I came to like maybe see kids running around.
No, sir. Look at park. The parking at the tree. We usually say it's so busy.
No, man, it's usually bustling, but
No, but I'm thinking that on Christmas Eve. No, it's not Christmas. New Year's Eve. You'd see all of the restaurants them closed. That's why we couldn't get a delivery.
yeah, because we're trying to get delivery to come because the tired guys are tired. You see your face?
Yeah.
Show them your face.
No.
You're tired.
No.
And I'm actually really surprised. I think it good because I keep saying on a lot of posts that in Colombia they don't really do like crazy stuff for New Year's Eve. So like you don't really expect some things to be going on, but guys, listen, we're in our 30s. We're older now. We don't want to go anywhere. We just want to eat some food and go to bed. Okay. The McDonald's is closed too. So what are we gonna do? Alright guys, I'll check back in. Alright, so we found this place. We've been here before, but Caribbean Fusion. Alright guys, so that was a bust. Bogota is not the place to be for New Year's Eve. Everybody close early, and who not close early having them party, and you have to pay like an extremely high, like it's like 200,000 pesos, which is not like a huge amount. It's like regular price for like a New Year's Eve party or something. But yeah, so for the menu that we have, we're not ceviche eaters. We're not like, I basically only eat chicken and seafood. So that's pretty much, yeah, there's nothing for me for tonight. And South America is a very meat lovingness country. Not country, sorry, continent. To share with you guys what we got at the supermarket. So we went to a supermarket called Carulla Fresh Market. In total we spent
China?
Huh?
China?
Why? No, because I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat right now. 836,000 mash, and that equates to just a little under 30,000 Jamaican dollars. So just go to show you, and we got a lot of stuff. Cereal. I think I'm gonna have some cereal right now. We got Pringles. We got some oil. We got a big bag of a regular medium-sized bag of Doritos. Pizza flavor. I've never had that. We got this is the best, if probably not one of the best or whatever type of milk. I had this in Mexico and I actually took a picture of it, this brand. I took a picture of it and had it in my phone. When I was in the supermarket, I was like, I wonder if I have the same brand here. And lo and behold, I found it. Addis, the milk, I don't know what about it, but it just have a little to it, you know. Baby, come and snack on some things. I got this case of berries, so some raspberry, blueberry, blackberries. So I think I'm gonna have some of that as well. South America, I think they have like the big. Look at this papaya. I'm kind of tired. It's bigger than my head. Cheese bread, which I'm about to dig into. Looks so delicious. They bake it fresh at the supermarket. I got this small cake. It's so cute. I had to get it. It has a little gingerbread cookie on it. Very festive. Got some hot sauce. Amazon red Amazon pepper sauce. Hakeem had to have his hot sauce. He's a hot sauce guy. Just a chill guy. Got a little bit of marshmallows, like a little pack, because we bought some hot chocolate mix. So that's somewhere to go. So put on some water for that with that. Alright, yeah, so the hot chocolate mix. That is gonna go nicely with the marshmallows on top. Just a little, you know. I'm figuring out this kitchen. Where is the? I told him, you know, 2 black pepper. So we've got black pepper. He got some vanilla wafers. He loves these vanilla wafers. And we got an assortment of mini brownies. So as I said, we're going to be here for a while. It's going to be like about 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks. So we just did a big shop. I'm putting on the water for you, really. We got this juice. Got 2 something of juice. No, 3 something of juice. I'm going to put it in my fridge. Got body lotion, because we didn't bring a body lotion with us. We got laundry detergent because we have some laundry to do while we're here, definitely. So detergent, fabric softener. We got a little carton of cherry tomatoes. Love cherry tomatoes in this home. Got some ginger as well. Ginger, oranges, mango, small banana. Need to figure out a place to put them. I think we can put them here. Got shrimp. Definitely have to have shrimp. And I bought this jar of tomato sauce. I love chunky tomato sauce. Got some red onion, tuna, rice, green plantain, bright plantain, and a big container of water, oat pancake, and we got some stevia. I got grapes. So there are like 24 grapes in here. So what this symbolizes, we're supposed to actually go under the table and eat 12 grapes. So let's see. It's supposed to be, it's a tradition here. You're supposed to wear red when you do it though, but I'm camera when you put on the red bag up on my head. This is part of tradition. So, and this is gonna be, it should last us for a few weeks. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna eat some stuff. I think the water's supposed to hot, baby. Yep, it's hot. Did you find any more? Right here? Okay, cool. I'll wash it out for you. Alright, so we're just gonna pack up the stuff now.